Chopping wood. Begin by lying down on your back with your knees bent and your feet standing. To place the Myssage balls, lift your chin toward your chest and lift your shoulders off the floor. Press the balls in underneath the trapezius on both sides of the spine. Lower the head back down to create pressure. To begin, bring your arms down alongside your body and then bring the palms to touch in prayer. The arms resemble an axe. The movement resembles chopping wood. Begin to trace the midline of your body with your hands, drawing the arms up toward the ears and then back down toward the knees. Merge this movement with your breath, inhaling up and exhaling down. If you want to create more pressure, create a weight transfer by pressing into the feet and lifting the pelvis. Exhaling as the pelvis lowers, inhaling as the pelvis lifts. When you have finished, roll side to side to remove the balls and shimmy the shoulders and shake the head. Come into a moment of stillness to notice what you notice.